Hey guys! I'm here today in my guest bedroom and I wanted to take a few moments to share with you what I'm packing for our Florida retreat. So as you guys know, on August 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, me and 19 other women are meeting for an amazing retreat on femininity, inner work, relationships, and spirituality. It's going to be amazing. I'm super excited. And as a bonus, Irfan ended up adding on in a little mini Orlando getaway for us so that we can take Alina to Disney World. So we're actually leaving tomorrow, which is going to be Tuesday morning. And we're going to fly into Orlando first. And we're going to be there for, I think, so from Tuesday to Friday morning, we will be in Orlando, Florida. And then we drive from Orlando to Fort Lauderdale on Friday morning for the retreat. So I'm about to share with you guys what I'm taking. Now, I didn't want to share with you the outfits that I'm wearing on the retreat because I feel like that would ruin the fun. It would ruin the surprise. But what I'm going to do is that on YouTube, after the intensive, I'm going to share with you guys my outfit of the days that will be tagged on at the end of this video later, so that you can see, what I wore on the actual retreat days as well. So let me start by kind of sharing what we're taking. We're going to check in one bag for all of us. You guys know I like to travel really light. We used to travel a lot more and we don't travel as much now, but we learned really quickly that in order to be stress-free and have more fun, it's best to take less things. You never end up using everything you take anyways, and quite honestly, we don't even mind if we have to do laundry in the middle because that's more of a fun family experience versus lugging around a lot of luggage from shuttles to airports to hotels. It's just not fun. So we're checking in one bag, and then I have my carry-on that I'm taking with me. And then the kids have like a little backpack that they're taking with their snacks, with coloring books, with their tablets, a sweater, things like that they might need. So professionally speaking, what I have to carry with me is I need to have obviously my books, my workbooks. So I have, I think I'm taking 25 just in case, some extras, name tags for everyone, some markers, and so that's gonna take up some room. I'm not sure if Irfan's gonna do that in his carry-on, or I don't know how that's gonna work out yet, but we have to take that as well. And then what I'm doing is in my carry-on, I'm actually taking my shoes. Because we're checking in a bag, I don't want to put my nice shoes in the carry-on. I like having them with me. So that's where I have all of my nice shoes, which I'll show you guys. And then I also have in here my one bag that I'm taking. This is the purse that I'm taking on this trip, as it will go with everything. You can take off the chain that it comes with to turn it into a little clutch. So it's just like super convenient. So that's the one bag that I'm taking. For shoes, I'm taking these, my Valentinos, and the reason I ended up choosing this pair is because this is my most broken in pair. I wear these the most. It was also my first pair, and Valentinos in general are very comfortable shoes. I mean, you can wear them all day long, but the fact that these are worn in makes it even more comfortable. So that's what I'm taking. I also have in here my sunglasses. I only own currently 2 pairs of sunglasses, and these are my more comfortable pair, so I'm taking these. Okay. The second pair of shoes, keep in mind also that when I usually travel, I don't even take as much as I'm taking right now because I like being really minimalist in my packing. But because this is a work trip for me, part of it is my work trip, I wanted to have more outfits, shoes and things. So this for me is packing a lot. This is overpacking in my world. Also taking this pair because, let me show you guys. They're stuck together. You guys remember these? These are my YSL, what are these called? I forgot what their official name is, but These are my most worn designer shoe in general. They're super high heel. A lot of the dresses that I bought to wear for the intensive are super long, like gowns. So they're super flowy, and I needed some height with that. So those are really comfortable as well. So those shoes are going. And then the last pair are just these flip-flops that I'm taking, my Tory Burch. All of these are still going strong. I've had these for 4, 5, 6 years now, and they're all pretty much in great shape. I wear them all the time. These will be great for like Disney and just like beaching around and things like that in Orlando. So that's what I have in my carry-on. And I mean, other than that, I just have, some gum. I have 2 items of makeup. I'm not sure if we'll throw anything else in here. I have plenty of room left in case we need to throw more stuff in. So that is that. Let me see, what is this? Oh, okay. So then I have this little cube in here, and in this cube are my my nighties, my robes, a couple of strapless bras, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's all like my sleepwear and my under stuff. And then my trainer is asking me to bring these because she's sending me workouts that I can do at the gym. Now, both the resort that we're staying in Orlando and the resort that we're staying in Fort Lauderdale has a full gym. They all do now. But I told her, just give me some quick options that I can do in our suite, because sometimes with kids, like, you wake up and you're trying to do breakfast and get everyone ready, and I don't want to have to go to the gym and work out if I don't have the time. So I'm just taking my bands. She's already shown me quite a few workouts with these bands, and she's really good with emailing me really nice, challenging workouts. So now I can't get them back in. I'll have to put the stuff in the band later. So I'm taking those bands. So I'm not going to show you guys okay, so in here, sneak peek, are my dresses that are for the retreat, but I'm not going to share that. Instead, I will share with you my Orlando dresses, which are in this garment bag. So, one more thing. So in here already, I have this packing cube, and what this has is it has all of my family's swimsuits. So I use these packing cubes this way instead of doing individual items, because it's just easier to be like, okay, that's all our swimming gear, So that's how I'm trying it out this time. So in order to show you my first outfit, I need to show you the swimming suit that I'm taking. So we're staying in Orlando it's like a 2-bedroom suite with a washer and dryer in the room. So that's why I'm only taking one swimsuit, because when I come back I can just throw it in the washer. And I'm taking this one. And it actually, I like wearing like these little skirts that I get off. You can get these from Target or on Amazon. These little swim skirts, instead of just wearing it like that, I feel a little bit more like comfortable wearing it with this. So this is my swimsuit, but the first outfit actually matches the swimsuit exactly. And so how that works out is that here's the top, and this is a wraparound skirt. Like, it's super cute. It's like this, where you can just wrap it around. Let me show you. Like this. And so this outfit actually doubles up as a cover-up, but it is a full outfit that I can wear because it's got its own top. I like having options like this on especially like beachy trips, because sometimes you're like at the pool and then you're gonna go grab something to eat, so you want to have outfits that can transition easily. So that's that. Okay, and then this is one of my newer purchases from White House Black Market. You can still grab this dress if you want to, actually, because I just got it last week. And I know I'm breaking a cardinal rule for traveling and packing for myself, but I'm willing to take a risk because White House Black Market and me go hand in hand. Their dresses work out really good for me. So what's that cardinal rule that I'm breaking? And that rule is that I never ever try to travel with shoes or clothes that I haven't worn before. But on this trip, I am taking stuff that I haven't worn before, and I wore it around at home. I have these pair of shoes that I'm wearing to the airport, which I'll show you guys, that are I've never worn before, so I've been wearing them all around the house, like cleaning in them, cooking in them to break them in. I don't advise that you do that. I've always regretted it before, but I'm hoping that it works out, especially because the brands are familiar and I know their outfits work out for me. So this is an off the shoulder, like a cold shoulder, I mean, dress, and I fell in love with the color of it, and I think it's called like Indian pink sari or something, and it definitely looks like a sari material. I would wear the sari if I had it, so I knew I had to get this dress. I think that this will probably end up being, this or the next one will probably end up being like my Disney World outfit. Did I mention this is Alina's first trip to Disney World and I'm super excited? And so this is the second dress that I'm taking for Orlando. It's also a cold shoulder. And the neat thing about this dress is that it's a reversible dress. I just got this. You should be able to still find it on the White House Black Market website. If you turn it, reverse it, this is what the other side looks like. The other side is all black, but then it has that little bit of pop of color in the neckline. And so I could wear this dress two ways if I wanted to. And then the third dress is, I think third or fourth, is this one also from White House Black Market. I fell in love with this print. Love it, love it, love it. I love this little detail. I feel like it's super forgiving in the midsection, especially when you like eat out a couple times when you're on vacation, you're eating out all meals, and so I tend to get bloated, and so I always try to take with me things that are super forgiving in that area. It's just something you can't avoid when you're traveling because you're eating out so much, so why not plan for that to make sure that you're feeling fabulous and comfortable. So those are my outfits for Orlando. Like I mentioned, I don't want to show the outfits for the Fort Lauderdale trip because it's going to ruin the fun. I will show you guys possible outfit combinations that I'm trying to do for the airport, but I think I haven't decided. I had pulled this outfit. If you guys remember, I wore this outfit with a different top. Actually, I wore these pants on our cruise like the first day. So this ends up being like a travel outfit for me a lot. But this time I have a different top. I have this off the shoulder. This may end up being my airport outfit. I like looking super cute at the airport, especially since Irfan is so cute. He planned this little like mini date for us at the airport. And so he's excited about that. He wants us to get there a little bit early at 8:30, and he wants to take us to the the lounge, and then he's got reservations at this restaurant. Like, he's like planning a date for us like when we're traveling at the airport. I think it's the funniest, cutest, most romantic thing ever. So I want to make sure I'm looking cute for that. So I'll probably end up doing that, but I'll post a picture if I end up changing. So that's it. I think I don't have anything else to show you guys. We have all of our toiletries in here, and we're just sharing this. We still have to add our toothbrushes, but we're still using them. All of my family has electric toothbrushes, but Alina decided she wants to take not an electric one, so she's taking this one. And all of our like little toiletries are in here. My makeup is still upstairs. What I do 2 days prior to traveling is that I pack my makeup, and then the next 2 days I use that makeup to get dressed, because if I'm gonna forget something, I'm gonna realize it when I'm using, like right now I use only that makeup to get dressed, and I hadn't forgotten anything. So that gets packed after I get dressed on Tuesday morning. Then I'll pack it. I have it in my notifications on my phone so I don't forget it. And yeah, we're keeping it simple, just one checked bag and then little carry-ons for us. And I'm so excited. Okay. Hey ladies, I know that I was a little late in posting this from our August intensive that happened in Florida. For those of you guys that would like to join us in the next intensive, it's happening in January 2020 in Houston, Texas. I still have some spots left. We've already had 10 women book, so go ahead and grab the spot if you're interested in that. It's going to be the perfect way to start your new year, and this intensive is different from the Florida intensive. It's called Fire, Flow, and Goddess Consciousness. The link is in the description box. Go ahead and check it out. And next week, I'll post the outfit of the days that I mentioned in this vlog. So I'll see you next week, and I'll see you in Houston. Bye.